and defended. Kung preview to ng ilalaro nyo sa playoffs, how do you like your chances?
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to thank Jesus Christ for the win, and yeah, yun yung mentality namin from the preparation. I want them to feel the playoff atmosphere, and yeah, I trust my players. Whenever backs against the wall or do or die games, I trust the guys na they will perform on their very best. And credit to them all. Talagang pinaghandaan nila. Credit to all the players dahil sila naman yan eh. Sila nag-execute, sila dumipensa, sila nag-usap. Kami, guidance lang naman kami, preparation lang. But all of them boils down to the players, and credit to them because they work hard. Even sabi ko nga sa kanya, kanina pinag-usapan namin na it's 48 minutes. If you don't play 48 minutes against this champion team, we will not survive. So it's a learning experience. Again, down the stretch, we'll relax a little bit because kala namin panalo na. Then, yun, nagkaroon pa sila ng chance. But ano pa rin, credit to players pa rin because up to the last minute of the game, last second of the game, we play our very best.
Thank you, Coach. Rafi played extended minutes tonight. And there's a reason why Coach Chito, whom you have a long history with, put you in. Just talk about the role that you played and will continue to play for the team on and off the court.
Yeah, I mean, credit to the coaches. First of all, I'd like to thank them also for continuously believing in me and knowing what I'm capable of doing. You know, it's because it's a playoff atmosphere. You know, I've been here many times, and I know what it takes to you know, get to the next round, and it's just, you know, trying to go all out, you know, do what I can, whether I'm on the court or off the court. My role doesn't stop.
We now open the floor to questions from our president.
Rafi, congratulations.
Thank you.
So far, you've taken more of a leadership role to the point that you've been giving inputs to the coaches at times during huddles. Let's talk about your somewhat extended role with this team.
Again, it's just through experience. You know, being in these battles for so many years, you know, I've seen everything you can imagine. So, you know, when I'm off the court, it's my job to see things that, you know, other guys may not see because, you know, I have a different angle, or, you know, through expertise, I see something that other guys may not. So it's just, you know, me continuously sharing things that I see, you know, and just helping the team out any way I can.
How exhausted are you?
I'm not tired.
It depends on the...
Yeah, if you guys notice, you know, I mean, I really don't play so much, but I practice very hard. So, but hey, I'm glad we're in this position, and you know, we accomplish our goal to, you know, get the twice to beat advantage, and you know, we'll be ready come game time.
Coach Chito, the last two games, masakit yung mga talo nyo eh. Masinsinan ba yung usapan nyo leading up to this game, or may ano pa rin, may sense na confidence nandun pa rin?
Yeah, with a combination of sense of urgency and also confidence with my players. Alam ko naman na dadaan ka to ganito eh, because the last 3 games we will face an elite teams, top teams, and besides we need to also adjust with the will. So alam ko dadaan kami sa ganitong situation, and sana lang, sabi ko lang, sana when the playoffs start, at least medyo maganda na yung chemistry, and medyo, yun nga, sabi ko kay Apple kanina, gumaganda na yung chemistry, practices, we do some stuff na inside and outside the court na ginagawa namin para maging maganda yung chemistry ng team. And medyo maganda yung contribution ni Will ngayon, plus the fact that other players also step up, especially this guy. And yun, siguro we will be ready for the playoffs kahit na sino yung makalaban namin. Yun naman yung goal namin. Go to the playoffs, and then anybody's ball game for the return.
Coach, your thoughts on chance of facing PNP again?
Yeah, I mean, hindi naman kami pwedeng mamili ng kalaban eh. From the number 8 Meralco, a defending champion, number 7, I don't know kung sino it might be, Converge or Tokentex, hindi rin kami pwedeng mamili. I mean, all of them are capable of winning title. So, wala kang pagpipilian dito. So, all you need to do is prepare, and then hopefully, ganito, magkaroon kami ng chance sa dulo. And yun lang naman ang 50-50 chance against this team. So, walang ditong advantage, I think.
Coach, initially, what prompted you to bring in Rafi? Kasi meron pa ba nakitang matchup na you can take advantage or ano yung initially?
I'm always, rely on this guy. Pag napipil ko naman na kailangan ko siya, I mean, may sa akin, may instinct yun. And besides, his play is, sabi nga niya, he works hard in practice. So, di mo yan, ganyan kasi mga veterano, they have the mindset and the mentality na they will compete every time they use him. So yun lang. I trust them kahit na sino dun sa bench. And ang ano lang ngayon, si Rafi, si Cap yung nag-step up. So everybody naman, including Aris, and then other guys na hindi ko naman ginamit, but they are there cheering, they're there encouraging each other. And yun, ito yung team namin. Kailangan namin, sabi ko nga, mabuo pagdating sa playoffs.
Rafi, good evening. Just your thoughts of sharing the floor with another veteran, Kelly Williams of PNP.
Yeah, it's always a joy to see him, still doing what he's doing. I know how hard he works too, so by no means am I surprised. But it is good to see him, still trucking and playing a crucial role for his team. More blessings to him, and hopefully he continues to have a long and prosperous career.
Follow up lang kasi yung nanonood ata kayo ng sino ba? Tama ba? Yung discuss. Usually pag nag-team banding, usually di ba before the season, ito ginawa niyo middle of the
I mean, we have every week, once a week banding. It's either we will eat outside or yan. Last time we watched movies. We watched movie Ballerina kasi gusto namin napanood kami nagsasayaw. So, ginawa namin. But it's a team bonding, and we want everyone to, makalimutan mo na yung basketball, outside basketball, ano yung pwede namin gawin. So, yun yung mga activity na ginagawa namin. And, yun nga, kasi kailangan din namin mag-go with the bar. So, yeah. Hopefully magbunga yung mga extra na ginagawa namin para magbunga yung chemistry namin.
Hindi lang ba kung ba't ballerina? Or hindi ibang
wala naman. Kasi yun yung showing doon sa Wolfgang. So, yun yung natapat na. Mahanap nga kami ng Panday at saka matanggihan po. Kaso wala.
And that wraps up our post-game press.
Shout out.
Ay,
I want to shout out Doc Ed, IV Vitamin Bar. He takes good care of me. And I'm letting you guys know my secret now. So thank you, Doc Ed. Thank you, IV Vitamin Bar. Real Vito, what up?
Shout out. Big Farm Garden Bazaar.
50 off.
Is that